Hello trader, this is the 1 hour chart of crude oil. You can see crude has broke the previous parallel channel which I draw, this one, green one, on upside, and it continue its rally because of Russia-Ukraine crisis, and I draw a parallel channel this, and I also provided this and this 112 and 107 resistance level in my previous video. As you can see here, he touch 107 and then come down and break this level and come to this level and then giving a clear break, giving a lower shine to go to a lower level in coming days. As you can see on 1 hour chart, it shows a downtrend. As you can see, I thought it will continue till 98, 100 or 98. On 4 hour time frame, it is extremely bullish till now, but on 1 hour time frame it is bearish. So you can short here, or as you can watch price action on lower time frame like 5 minute or 15 minute as your suitability. That's my final review, and I think you will follow my review. Hope you will make profit. We will make profit. Okay, bye.